Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's me, the Apple Professional here, and today we're going to unbox, I'm going to unbox these AirPod Pros, or should I say fake AirPod Pros. They're diplomats or dittos or one-to-one or whatever you want to call them. Now, I got these AirPods Pros. These come all the way from China, I think. Or Singapore. I got them off of AliExpress for 25 bucks. And I'd say the packaging isn't bad for what you get for 25 bucks. It's actually a bit better. Let's see here. We got the AirPod picture on the front. We don't have designed by Apple or California on the thing, because then that would be, Apple intrugating. We got AirPods Pro made in China with wireless charging case, and then it's got a bunch of Turkish, I believe it is, yeah, or Spanish. Okay, I'm not gonna read that, but the only reason I bought these because I didn't want to, drop 250 bucks on real AirPod Pros, and they say these come with wireless charging, and they look exactly the same, and they have wireless charging too. And noise cancellation, so we're going to check these out. I also kind of did like a one-to-one comparison between the real AirPods Pro box and the fake AirPods Pro box, and size, they're like almost the same. As you can see, the AirPods Pro box looks a bit bigger than the official AirPods box, but they pretty much look the same. If you wanted to buy these, you could, but the seller, he removed his listing, and I'm sorry if this unboxing, if you think it. So like I was saying, it's not pretty bad for what it is. Like, you can't buy it now or anything. I'm sorry if this unboxing looks bad, because the tripod I have isn't working, and I was gonna do like an on look down, like I'll put my phone on the ceiling and record an unboxing. It's gonna be looking really cool. But anyway, let's get to the main stuff here. I don't have a knife with me, but they didn't package this well, so good. And this is like one of the best fake AirPods Pro I found on AliExpress, because he said that he got the price so low, like the AirPods Pro with noise cancellation, and that's what I'm looking for, noise cancellation. That's what I really like, and that's what I'll use the most, and also the looks, like I'm trying to flex too, so like, shh, don't tell anyone. Anyways, let's get unboxing. Ooh. This really look good. It took a month and a half, or almost 2 months, for this to get here from Singapore. I hope it doesn't disappoint. The unboxing looks like the real AirPods Pro, like the plastic they have on the top. Oh no, my camera's running out of battery. If it runs out of charge, I'm just gonna do the unboxing. Like, the box kind of feels cheap, like some kind of other cheap thing you would find on AliExpress. Let's unbox the actual AirPods. Do they come out little AirPods? Okay. I'm having a little difficulty here.
5 hours later.
Okay, so several tries later, I finally got the box to open. Woof, this is not like a normal AirPods box where it just like slips off like that. You really gotta dig your nails and arms in there. The unboxing process wasn't nice, but like, it's not regular AirPods unboxing, okay? Like, it doesn't easily come off, but these are fake AirPods, and they're cheap, so. So we got an instruction booklet here that looks like the real AirPods. Whoa, they try to copy that. This model is the i200000 or whatever, i200000. I don't really know. They call it the AirPods Pro Matte. I don't even know. So this is how it looks like. I don't really need the instructions because I know how to do this. We don't need the instructions. Let's look at the actual AirPods Pro. And the covering that they put the actual AirPods in feels cheap. But of course these are fakes. Let's not judge these as much as real AirPods do. Come on out, little. And look at that. Just wow, they look actually real, like real AirPods Pro. I mean, I think the battery's dead. Let's try the fit in the ears. The fit feels well. They smell good. Okay, I don't want to smell them. Let's put them back. I think they're dead. And because of the heat and stuff, they feel sticky too. The click isn't exactly Apple AirPods click. It kind of feels cheap, but it does the job. Okay, so this is the cheapness, but they did a pretty good job on the unboxing. It looks like real AirPods Pro box. I like the AirPods too. Oh, the hinge there, it's kind of cheap. I mean, all around it looks like the AirPods Pro, and it kind of feels like it too. Even on the inside, I'm really impressed to see that they actually, you know, they got down the AirPods Pro looks and everything. I really like how they look. You know, this is a really good pair of fake AirPod Pros, and they have noise cancellation, a good battery life. They don't have transparency mode, but I don't really use transparency mode. I don't really need to use transparency mode. Oh, they attract fingerprints too. The color, oh, pops right open. The color is kind of an off-white color, yellowish, but I think that's okay. See, they give us charger. They give us extra ear tips. The regular ones don't fit your ears, and they give you a charger. I don't know if this is actually Apple charger, but it looks like it. Probably just bought one or made one. Anyways, that's pretty much it for my AirPods Pro fake unboxing. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit a like to this video. And if you have any concerns, if you have any comments, concerns, or problems about this video, or like where you should buy them and stuff like, oh, this is a sticker too, so I don't want to peel that off. Then comment down below, and I will get back to you. That is my fake AirPods Pro unboxing for now. And I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out till then.